Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? I'm happy to announce some very exciting new features on the InEvent Live Studio, and those are going to be amazing today. We now have multiple cameras available on the InEvent platform. That means that with just one click, you can actually go into the InEvent system and change which camera you're going to use. So you can be watching this camera, or you can switch to this camera just as easily as clicking one button on the InEvent platform. InEvent, as you know, is the leading InEvent video and audio live streaming solution, so you can actually create, very easily with the platform, your webinars, your future of work, streams, onboarding new employees, and up to large customer conferences. The InEvent system also supports now Bluetooth connectivity using your audio devices, so if you want to switch between, for example, using your Bluetooth devices or headphones to a hardwire, you can do that very easily on the InEvent platform. It's just as easily as change one button on the system. Which also brings to the point where you should also always have a backup for your audio devices. InEvent supports multiple different devices, so you can have 2 or 3 audio channels available on the platform. All of this built in on the InEvent Live Studio, so you can have a great event with no interference, even on busy trade shows. Alright? The InEvent platform is available with these new features on the Live Studio for all the advanced and full customers. So if you want to get ready, you can talk to your project manager to get implemented on your next session, or book a call with our sales team so we can help you and do a demo of the InEvent product. Alright? Let me know what you think. Ready to connect, and thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.